In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this portable location device, and it's a minimum card. This little thing will actually slide down inside of a wallet, a bag, or something like that, or you can even put it on a keychain. Check out how this thing looks. So it is tiny. You get a little tiny lanyard with it right there. Here's the card. It almost looks like a little NFC card. Then to run the lanyard, you basically just put it through there like that. Now this uses the Find My iPhone network that has, you know, basically when any iPhone gets close to it, it'll ping it and let you know exactly where it is. And to turn it on, you just hold down this little button right here, and then it comes on. I don't see a light or anything on it. There's no type of vibration, so I really, there it is. I got a little beep. The little beep comes on when it's on, so that lets me know that it is on. Now let me try to hook it up to my iPhone and see what it does. Okay, when you open your Find My, so you, on your iPhone, you're gonna go and you're gonna open my Find My, and this is exactly how it came up. It said WL Finder. Now I can't show you the location on here, but I'm gonna go ahead and connect it and see what it does. Now it's gonna ask me to name it. I'm just gonna go, let's do card tag. Y'all hear that? You can put a little emoji with it. It is setting up. It's giving the location, so I can't show it. So I'm just going to show y'all what happens when I play the sound. So that actually has a little beep to it. So I'm trying, if I can actually use it to do it. That thing works great, everybody. It works just like an AirTag, but in a better package. Look at that. That is the coolest thing ever. I don't think it's got a replaceable battery in it, but it feels indestructible. I think I got plenty of places I'm gonna put this little guy. Oh, this thing is really cool. This is from the company Hoother. This is something I'm definitely gonna use amongst my travels. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, you know, portable locator device. See you on the next video.